Operation steps of iron or powder ball press vibrating screen. Check whether the screws of the spring and each part are loose before energizing. Whether the amount of
矿
oil
粉压铸
between
设
the
备主要用于
bearings
压制
meets
各
the
种镁粉、
requirements.
铁粉、矿
Screen
粉、
body
石膏、
and spring
钛矿、
have
耐材
cracks.
等，经压
Whether
球
the
机制作成
triangle
型后的
belt
物料
is
节能环
worn
保，
or
便于
broken.
运输，提高了
Screen
对废
mouth
料的
is
利用。
clean. There is no broken net or blockage. The dust removal machine damper should be closed before starting the equipment. When the interlock starts, when the pre-start signal is received, the accident switch can be switched on, and the equipment will start with the system. When running without lock, the device can be started separately. After the vibrating screen works normally, open the fan damper. Normal parking is carried out by the operating platform. When working without locking, after the material in the screen has been discharged, you can press the stop button beside the machine to stop. After stopping, the accident switch should be cut off.